Hey everyone, it's Justine Marjan. Welcome to my channel. This video is all about how to wear a scarf in your hair. I recently got a ton of silk scarves in the mail from Manor Market and I love them so much, so I'm going to show you 12 ways to wear a scarf in your hair. Scarves are one of my favorite summer looks. They are so versatile, so fun, and there are endless amounts of ways that you can wear them in your hair. So in this video, I did each look kind of quickly, so hopefully you can get the idea of how to style it, but just keep in mind that there are endless ways to style your hair with a scarf, so you can pull different techniques with all the different scarves and make each look really your own. So here we go. Cashew. All right, those were my favorite ways to wear a scarf in my hair. I even have more ways you can wear them on my TikTok and Instagram. My username is @Justine Marjan, so make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like and comment on this video which look was your fave and which look you think you would wear this summer. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have so many more fun tutorials and videos coming soon.